All right, car number 230 underwater. Let's see how much water is in the oil.
There's definitely water in it. You can see it in my hand. Look. Yeah, now that's oil. The little water that was in it is gone. That's oil right there. You can see the thickness of it. But the first start of it, look at that.
Yeah.
That's water.
I'll kick the pan over this way. I don't think it's that bad.
Well, I think you'll be fine. Hey, low on oil. Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't check the due date. I'd be getting close anyways.
She low on oil for sure.
So slippery. It's not totally washed out.
That's why I say it was like the beginning. You can look at how the oil has switched up.
Yeah, it didn't look that bad. If it died right away, it was sitting on the bottom of the oil pan, so it didn't get up in the bearings and that. Alright, and then recording on draining of drain pan. We'll pick up recording with oil filter.
Once it come on out, it's gonna be a nasty scene. Don't look that bad.
Alright, looks like straight oil. Which means it died right away, I think, because the filter didn't take on water.
I just want to say, I really feel like it died. As soon as he did what he did.
Yeah, I think the first sensor got wet and shut the car off, and that was it.
Let's see. I'll take a picture of the video of that. Nothing.
What's it like when you pour it in?
Straight oil.
Yeah, it's just oil. Yeah, I think it'll be fine.
There you go.
No.